In this video, I will show you exactly how to map your calculation totals into distinct closing pages within Typeform to give your users a truly personalized experience. This is an incredibly powerful feature for quizzes or assessments, where you want to show different results based on the score someone achieves. To get started, you will need to head over to the Workflow tab at the top of your screen and select the Branching and Calculations option from the menu. This is where all the logic magic happens. Once you are in that view, go ahead and click on a specific question, such as a multiple choice question, where you want to begin assigning points to specific answers. This allows you to track user responses numerically. Now you are ready to set up your rules to add, subtract, or even multiply a numeric value to the score variable based on the answer the user selects. For example, if a user picks the correct answer, you can add 5 points to their total. Or, if they pick a different option, you can subtract points or leave it at 0. You can continue this process for every question in your form to build up a final score. Once you have your calculations running, you can create different endings and use logic jumps to send people to a specific closing page based on whether their final score is high or low. This ensures that every respondent gets an outcome that is relevant to their specific performance on the quiz. It is a very simple process once you understand how the variables work together in the background. By following these steps, you can create highly engaging and interactive forms that feel much more like a custom application than a standard survey. Make sure you test each path to ensure the math is working perfectly before you push your form live to your audience. This method transforms a basic form into a sophisticated tool for data collection and user feedback.